Every new pair of customized carbon insoles come in the box together with a pair of 3D printed removable heel lifts, each one specifically designed to fit precisely onto the rear part of your orthotics, just like a key onto its lock. We also provide you with extremely durable, double-sided stickers from 3M. Initially peel off the protective white cover. Attach the sticker on the top concave surface of the heel lift and pull the second protective cover to place the sticker permanently on its surface. Preferably, you should apply 2 stickers. One sticker on its wide surface of the 3D printed part and one sticker on its long surface. Connect the heel lift gently onto the rear part of its pairing orthotic shell until you confirm that is properly placed, and then apply pressure for a couple of seconds. The geometry compatibility of the 2 connected surfaces prevents the 3D printed removable part from slipping out of its position. Moreover, with the added compression forces while using your orthotics, it can only get stronger. You are ready to go. Enjoy the new ride.